Hi, I'm Marshall Crossan, President of Folsom Chevrolet. Welcome. When you come to Folsom Chevrolet, whether you're looking for a Corvette, a full-size truck, sports utility, small or intermediate-sized car, we have them all available. And if we don't, we can either order one or we will search all of California to make sure we get the one that matches your wants, needs, and desires. We have been nationally recognized not only in sales, but service and customer satisfaction. And we have the highest amount of world technicians of any dealership in all of Northern California. What does that mean to you? It means that we fix your car right the first time. We have a basic philosophy here at Folsom Chevrolet. We want to take care of you through your entire experience, any servicing that may be done to it, which will allow us to bring you back into this family for your new purchase. When you come into Folsom Chevrolet, you're going to experience why our customers tell other people and their friends Folsom Chevrolet is where friends send their friends to buy.